All right, in this video, we're going to do a little bit of styling. First, I'd like to actually review a little bit about what is this hashtag here? What does that mean when I put a hashtag in front of my link title? Instead of just having it go to home, why does it say hashtag home? I also have it down here on the button. href equals just plain hashtag. The reason for that is because that hashtag makes it act like a live link. It underlines it, it gives it link features. So as you can see when I click on it, it has link features. That's all that is, the hashtag. Now I'd like to say that this website here, this live view, compared to our final result, looks a little bit different. You'll see the font is different, so we want to fix the overall font for the page. You'll see that these two head tags, the headline 1 and headline 2, H1 and H2, these do not look bold, where this does look bold. So we'll take the bold off. And then in this list, we'll take the underlines off. We'll take it off of that as well. And we'll take the bullets off. So let's get started on that styling. Let's see, I'll close the result. So we're looking at the HTML here and the CSS over here. Actually, I'll add the body tag first, the body selector, and I'm going to put my font family in here. Now, in terms of sans serif fonts, I know that it is sans serif, but which one is it? And how will I know out of this list of many? Is it 10 or 12? I know that Courier is not sans serif. Franklin Gothic might be, but I don't, yeah, it's sans serif. Gill Sans is sans serif. And Impact is also sans serif, so is Verdana. So I've got 4 to try from. Let's first choose Arial and see how it looks. I'll do a save. And that's what Arial looks like in my final result. I can compare it. And it doesn't look quite the same. I say that because I know that this is bold and I'll take that off. But I noticed the capital I here has little serifs on it. And this one doesn't. So let's try Verdana, because I think that's one that has only got serifs on its I. Save. There it is. That looks much better. And now let's see if we can take the bold off. That is going to be on the H1 and H2. Font weight, normal. And now this and that look pretty similar, although this is all caps. So there's a way to fix that as well. It will be on the H1 only, not the H1 and the H2. And this is going to be text transform. And rather than choosing capitalize, which would only capitalize the first letter of each word, I'm going to choose uppercase. Save, and that looks great. Now let's take the bullets off of this list that is inside the nav. So it will be, let's see, I'll put it sort of in pecking order here. I'll put it below the nav. And this will be nav space UL. So this is the UL that's inside the nav. And I'll say list style. None. And that took care of the bullets. Now we want to get rid of the underlines. Now in this, I won't type nav and then A, because I want it to take the underline off this as well. So I'll say A. And I want to say text decoration. Oops. Text decoration. None. And now the underline is off. All right. In the next video, we'll bring in our images.